We're here at Edison Sno-Park here in Central Oregon, and look at how beautiful this area is. It is coming down on us. Don't have much or any real snow accumulation at this point. Today's December 9th, and our snowfall accumulation is massively delayed this year because of La Nina. But in a couple weeks' time, this will be a epic winter wonderland. I'm a little premature. Doing a panorama of this beautiful forest as the snow comes down. Hiking a snowshoe loop a little prematurely. Stop enjoying the beautiful forest. The snow coming down in these rock formations. And we're admiring the early phases of the summer to winter transition. Snow is coming down and just lightly dusting the area. For the next couple weeks, this will transform into an epic, thick snow winter wonderland.